Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be flipping through 4 new sticker books, 2 from Mojo Jojo Plans and 2 from Amber Plans Her Day. So I'm going to flip through these. They all released today. I will have the times and affiliate links and discount codes. Make sure to use a discount code to purchase these books if you're planning on purchasing today on the release. So yeah, I'm going to flip through these. I guess I'll just start from the top. So, of course, if you know, JoJo does awesome boxes, and then Amber does amazing, decorative, functional sticker books. So I'm excited to see what they have going on here. Ooh, this one's really good. So it's a big foiled rainbow boxes. I have the original, the regular one, and it's really pretty. So I'm excited to see these. I do some big spreads now for some of my patrons. I can definitely use these in spreads again. But look how pretty these reds are. And I like the foil that she chose because it's not like super shiny. It's really pretty. So there's reds. And the smaller boxes. And then line boxes. Then we have, oh, this is like goldish brown kind of colors. Coppery, maybe. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Sorry, it's really hard for me to see because of my ring light. Okay, the smaller boxes, really pretty. Lined. We have some golds. Pretty gold. 2 different golds. There's like a lighter gold, like more of a, and then a darker gold. Greens, those are pretty. And lined ones. Ooh, these blues are gorgeous. Those will be good for some summery spreads. Purple, love the purples. Those are really pretty. I really like that light purple. It's kind of pinkish in a way. Like a pinky purple. And then of course pinks. So we got really deep pink and the light pink. Lined boxes. And then we have silver. Black. This is a matte black. I really like that. That's cool. Okay, so those are all the colors in the big rainbow foiled boxes. That one's really nice. And the other book that she's coming out with is for monthly boxes. So these are jewel tone monthly boxes. So, and even though this is made for the monthly, you definitely can use it in your regular spreads as well. These have little notches for the monthly, like on the monthly where the date is. So you can use those on your monthly calendar. So these are like reds and like a burnt orange color. Or brown. Okay, green and gold. I got a mixture of red, brown, and gold here, or yellow. Ooh, I love this green. That's pretty. And then you got a deep green here, like a hunter green. But I like this teal. That's really pretty. This is like a navy, and then a cream color. It's really hard to see, but it's like a off-white cream color. It's really nice. Blues and a like kind of plum color. Then more blues and cream. Pinks and a purple. have to show how to use these on a spread. I feel like if I have something going on 2 days, this would be good. This one you can use on empty spaces in your monthly. And then we have the small boxes. I use a ton of these in my monthly, so love seeing all of these different color varieties here. Yeah, I use these for like my bills and stuff. These are a great size to use in your monthly. These as well. So she gives you like a little bit extra of these because I feel like these are the ones that you use the most. At least that's what I do. I use these two sizes the most on my monthly. All right, cool. So those are the jade colored monthly boxes, or jewel tone colored monthly boxes. Now, those were both of JoJo's. I believe she's restocking some books too, so definitely check that out as well to see if there's anything else you want to grab during this release. Now we're on to Amber's books. Oh, I plan on doing a plan with me, but just not in this video. I'm a little pressed for time. So I'm going to have to do a video for the following day, but I want to do a spread with both of these. I'll see if I can mix them together. So Summer Memories. Ooh, the memory books are my favorite. I love these because it's just a lot of decorative stickers. So we have all these summery fruits. Those are really pretty, and they're clear. These are all clear. All the fun drinks. Oh my gosh, that is so cute to have a water balloon fight. How cute. I would have never thought about doing that in a sticker. Ooh, I love these. So this is like traveling, vacation, going on a cruise, more traveling. I love the colors of that one. That's pretty. Camping. Oh, that's cute. Fireflies. Oh my gosh. Oh, the cute little trucks. I love that because I could do little scenes with them. You have a donut truck. That looks like a boba truck. Coffee, ice cream, of course. Oh my gosh, too adorable. Here's some more ice creams and an ice cream truck. We have 4th of July stickers. Fireworks. I love that. We got all the pool beach stuff. And then the beach. And then we have some cute fish. Adorable. Oh, these are super cute. That's adorable too. The sandcastles. Love that. All right, so then we go into the quotes, which are all beach themed, and a lot of them coordinate to the designs of the stickers that we just saw. So happiness comes in waves, so like you can use that one with the wave, like the beach type stickers. Take me to the beach, life is better at the beach, find me under the palms, easy peasy lemon squeezy, life is sweet, pull hair don't care, one in a melon. Good variety of quotes. I love the different fonts and stuff. 4th of July, cruise mode, land of the free, chasing sunshine, summer is the time for wandering, ice cream for ice cream, but first ice cream, life needs more fireflies, and front porches. So cute. Then we have the bucket list items. So like some ideas for doing some summary kind of bucket list items, like make s'mores, take a vacation, play mini golf, build a sandcastle. Then some little headers, remember, documented, cherish. I believe she always includes these in her books. So if you do like memory keeping, these are perfect for that. Ooh, some little glittery pieces. These are paper, but they look like just like a pile of glitter. You can use those to layer with other stickers. So there's 2 sheets like that. Oh, she actually included some glittery boxes. That's cool. So there's 2 of those, and then we have just the regular. She always includes these 2. just the regular like journaling style boxes in the back. You get a few sheets of those in black, since, you know, black goes with everything. So that is, yeah, that's it. So that is Summer Memories. Like I said, I love Amber's memory sticker books because I just like all the decorative stickers she includes in here. She does a really good job with these. So excited to try or to use that one. And then of course we have summer collections. This is also something else she does really well, is making these themed sections in these books. So we have Summer Collections Volume 2, starting off with some florals. These are all clear. And then the coordinating boxes. I love the colors. They're nice. And she includes more boxes, functional headers. This book has everything you need for a spread. If you want like a quick and easy spread, these are good to grab because you only have a few sheets of pages. Everything coordinates. You really don't have to think too much. It's super easy to put a spread together because everything's in here. There are quotes and then a couple more of the florals. I love this theme right here, all the summery items. So you get 2 sheets like that, and loving this color combo. That's pretty. And you got the bigger boxes with the headers, and then the quotes. Sunshine in summertime, peace, love, summer. So all these can coordinate to this theme. Adorable. Love these florals. I love tropical florals. So yeah, throw a monstera leaf in there and I love it, basically. Boxes. And then the quotes and a few more decorative stickers. Ooh, these are cute. Oh my gosh. I might have to do a spread with this one because this is too adorable. I love this. It's different. I've never seen this style, especially with like the picture in the picture. Like you have the cactus, but then you have like a little bit of the back of like an image inside of it. I think that's cute. We have a dolphin. Oh, that's adorable. Love it. Colors. Again, the colors are on point in this book. They're so good because they're very different, but they still feel like summery. Like they're not like your typical summer colors, but yeah, I'm loving the colors. Hello sunshine, be bold, have fun, have a fun summer. And then we have more florals. Again, monstera leaves, tropically feel. Boxes, pretty. I like this like pink mauve color. And then the quotes. Ooh, and is this the last theme? Oh, this is the last theme. Again, now we have tropical plus animals. Makes it even better. So cute. I love a good animal spread. Pretty green boxes. And then the last page of quotes. Love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to make a spread with this book. It's so good. All right, so that's Summer Collections Volume 2. Those are all the books that are releasing today. Like I mentioned, I plan on doing a plan with me. I'm probably going to use this one, try to combine it with this one just so you can see how they're used. Maybe I'll do a monthly spread because I want to show these. Hopefully I'll be able to, I think I can mix these two together. We shall see. But yeah. Hope you all enjoyed watching this flip through. If you plan on purchasing today, remember I do have my link down in the description with a discount code to both Mojo Jojo plans and Amber plans her day. Definitely make sure you use a discount code to get at least 10% off. But yeah, just excited for this new release. All these summery stickers, especially since I feel like I don't have a lot of summer themed stickers compared to like fall and winter. So I'm always excited to get these for some cute summer spreads. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you on the next one.